The prosecution's first witness in the criminal hush money trial of former President Donald Trump was back on the stand today.
And CBS 2's Alice Gaynor was in the courtroom. She joins us live from Lower Manhattan with what happened. Alice.
Well, before the jury came in, the judge held a hearing to determine whether the former president should be held in contempt for possibly violating the limited gag order. Prosecutors say at issue 10 posts, 8 on Truth Social and 2 on his campaign website. They were not asking the judge to issue any jail time, though prosecutors say he seems to be angling for that. Prosecutors allege former President Trump has violated the limited gag order repeatedly and hasn't stopped. They want him fined the maximum $1,000 for each of the 10 alleged violations, and they want the posts removed, like the one where he calls 2 potential witnesses sleazebags. The order prohibits Trump from commenting on witnesses, jurors, and others involved in the proceedings. The defense told the judge President Trump is allowed to respond to political attacks, but the judge scolded defense attorney Todd Blanche, saying he wasn't answering his questions when asked several times to provide the posts Trump was responding to. When Blanche said, "This gag order, we are trying to comply with it," the judge responded, "Mr. Blanche, you're losing all credibility right now." Judge Juan Merchan has not yet ruled on this.
I'm not allowed to talk, but people are allowed to talk about me. So they can talk about me, they can say whatever they want, they can lie, but I'm not allowed to say anything.
Once the jury was back in, David Pecker took the stand again. Pecker was the CEO of American Media Inc., which owned the National Enquirer. Pecker said he was friends with Trump, but would only see him once a month. But after Trump announced his presidential candidacy, he testified he saw and spoke to Trump more often, and that his interactions with Trump's then-attorney Michael Cohen also increased. Pecker said at the 2015 Trump Tower meeting between him, Cohen, and Trump, it was an agreement between friends. Pecker offered to run or publish positive stories about Mr. Trump, and I would publish negative stories about his opponents. Of Playboy model Karen McDougal, who claims to have had a sexual relationship with Trump, Pecker says he told Trump he thought he should buy her story, to which he says Trump replied, "Anytime you do anything like this, it always gets out." And when Pecker took the stand today, he was asked to point and identify former President Trump. The former president looked at him and gave him a half a smile. Court ended early today for Passover. There is no court tomorrow. We'll be back in session on Thursday. Outside of Manhattan Criminal Court, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
Alice, thank you.